Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Neo Hybrid phone case here for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This is going to come in around $18.99 on Amazon. So I'll link it down in the description if you're interested. Has that very recognizable spiderweb pattern inside. Has the air cushion technology as well inside. So if you do drop it, it should help dissipate the energy away and act kind of like tiny airbags. So that way it doesn't break your phone, hopefully. Now looking at the outside, let's go ahead and focus on it once we have the phone installed. So with the installation, it's very simple. So I always try to say start with the power button first, and then once you push it in, there we have it. So looking at the Neo Hybrid, it has this really nice pattern, very similar to like the Liquid Air. The Neo Hybrid also is kind of a two-part case. So this shell here can be removed if necessary. I always leave it on. This one's the black version, but they do have like a gunmetal gray as well. Individual lens cutouts as well, so I really appreciate that. The lenses are nicely recessed in. Pill-shaped cutout there that reveals a little bit of the green color there. Now the sides are matte. So it's kind of like a matte finish. It's not super grippy, but it does feel good in the hands regardless. Has a nice power button here that does have teeth, raised volume up and down buttons as well. Moving down to the bottom, you can kind of see it is a little bit smoothed out, but with the S23 being such a boxy phone, it does help a little bit with that. We do have some nice cutouts for the USB-C charging port, the speaker, and the S Pen. Getting the S Pen out is super simple and easy, so no issues at all there. This whole side is that matte finish material, has some Spigen branding right here as well. And then we do have a nice flat top with the actual circular cutout there for the microphone. Looking at the front of the phone, you can see that we do have some nice lips on the forehead and chin and the sides. So you're gonna get some good screen protection. It's tempered glass friendly. And that's the look top down. Now go ahead and doing the wobble test. When we do put it face down, there is no shaking going on at all. When we put it back down though, when we start shaking it, it really isn't shaking that much at all. Honestly, it's really not. I mean, obviously the screen's moving a little bit just because I'm moving the phone, but there's no wobbling going on. So it's actually a very flat phone case. Next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So the power button is very responsive and tactile, so I really appreciate that. And the volume up and down button as well, they're very tactile as well. So definitely passes my clicky button test. All right, so next let's go ahead and do the Qi wireless charging test here. So I'm just gonna slap it on, and as you can see, it is Qi wirelessly charging the device. So it does do wireless charging very easily, and we also get reverse power share and contactless payments very easily with this phone case. So there we have it, guys. There is the Neo Hybrid. It's less than 20 bucks. It's very affordable, has a good texture to it. One thing I will point out though is, like the Liquid Air, it is a little slippery. There is no fingerprint issues. Sometimes there's some smudge issues, so depending on the oils from your hands, you might every now and then see that, but a quick wipe down with your hand or a shirt will fix that problem. But the point is that it is a little slippery. So that's just something you have to think about, guys. Do you want to grip your phone case? But it is thin. It does feel decent in the hand, but that's just something to point out. So there we have it. If you like the video, I hope you subscribe, ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.